Ooh. Yo, what? What's happening? Whoa! This is so cool. After that, I don't beat the citadel. Some even went as far as calling it basically. But you prove that is that wrong, and that is a huge step forward for you. Take a long rest adventure, as you just completed the Citadel of Void, and you have made history. Give yourself a pat on the back and take in all the GGs you're getting up community-wide. Good job. That looks strange. Jump.